Hello all. So let's move into problem number 36 now. So this problem talks about double base palindromes. So what are those? It's giving an example. First of all, what is palindrome? Palindrome is a number. If you reverse that number, it becomes same. That's why they are palindrome. It's symmetrical. 585, if you reverse it, it becomes same. But if you just get a binary version of the 585, it is this. And in this case, even the binary version is a palindrome as well. Okay. So the question is asking us to find out all the palindrome, double base palindrome number which are less than 1 million. Okay. And for both base 10 and base 2. Okay. So to solve this problem, first what we'll do, we'll just try to create a function which will take the number and gives you all the digits. We have just done this couple of problems ago, but I'll just do it again. So let's say get digit from number. Okay, so that will be our number. I'll just take num as an argument. Here what I'll do, I'll just get a list. A list will be like this. Okay, and what I'll do, I'll just create a div is equal to 10. Okay, and I'll just create a while loop while number greater than or is equal to div, okay, which is 10. Then I want to divide that number because I'll have to get all the numbers, right? And if you do a modular division of a number, and so it's just like that, 1 2 3 4. If I do a modular division, it becomes the first digit, and if I keep the integer division, it becomes rest of the digits. So that's the idea we are applying here. So we'll just say d, say first digit, d is equal to number modular division div. That's the 10 here. And what we'll do a list dot append d. Okay, and then we'll change the number. Our number is equal to number modular division number integer division d. Okay, then at the end we'll just append the remaining number. Okay, the last number, append the last number, and if I just try to return it, return lst, let's try to see what happens. Okay, if I just try get digit from number, here I see 1 2 3. Okay, there's something wrong here. Number is equal to number divided by 2. Well, number greater than and is equal to, yeah, that should work. Okay, here we have a mistake here. It should be div. Okay, you see we got the number, but in the reverse order. So we got 3 2 1 instead of 1 2 3. So to get this, I'll just reverse it. Okay, now here what we want to do is we also need to create a function which will give us the binary, and the reason I use this div is so that I can take this as a parameter. Okay, and if I change this div to 2, let's say, and what will happen if I try this? Now you see we got the binary value of it. Okay, so if I change this division, it will convert it to binary. So what we can do is we take this as an argument. Div is equal to 10. Let's say this is my default argument. Okay, and if I try 1 2 3 now, I got 1 2 3. But if I just paste the next argument as 2, so I got binary. So I have one function. One function does both operations. Okay, integer and binary, and I'll reuse this function. Okay, so Now if we want to double check, let's say get digit from number. Get digit from number, I'll take 585, whichever they give, and the base has 2. So I got this number. Let's check this 1001. It's 1001. Then yeah, apparently it should work. Yeah, because if you just test with 3, it's 1 and 1. If I just try with 4, it should be 100. Yeah, looks like that's working. Okay, so what is the question asking? Question is asking for asking to find out the double digit palindrome. Okay, now how do we find out palindrome? Okay, I'll just define another function, def is pal. Okay, and I'll just take a list, and it will just return like this if the list and the reverse of the list are same. Okay, it will be one-line function, list equal to list. Okay, so I got this as ispal. Okay, now we'll have to search in the within range of 1 million, up to range of 1 million. Okay, so for number in range 1 million, so we'll have to get the list of digit, or list of numbers, and list of binary. Okay, I'll just call the same function get digit from number. I'll pass this number, that will be a number in base 10, and if I just copy this list binary, it will be same function, only I'll pass next argument as 2. Okay, and what we have to check is ispell. Okay, both. So if ispell both this number and the other number, and ispell palindrome the binary number, if both of them are palindrome, then this is our number we are looking for. So I'll just add list append num. Okay, and that's what should give us our answer. Okay, it took me 2-3 seconds. Now if I just take the list, so this is our answer, and the question is asking if I just sum them, that becomes 872187. Okay, let's try this out. Yeah, looks like our answer is correct. Thanks for watching. That's it for the current problem. Coming up next is problem number 37. Okay, thanks.